Alright guys, today we're going to be showing you the T-drill, which is a great drill to work on your first touch and your passing, a great warm-up technical drill. So now we're going to go through a walkthrough and then show you actual reps. So we'll walk you guys through it. So my partner's going to pass me the ball, my right foot, take a 2-touch, play it back to him, come to the front gate, 1 touch with the right, 1 touch with the right, then you switch feet, 1 touch with the left, back up, that's the first side. Now he plays to my left foot, 2 touch, 1 touch with the left, 1 touch with the left, and then 1 touch with the right. So you're always playing with the lead foot. That was 1 full rep. You did 3 of those, 3 sets. Now we're gonna do it actually live. Alright guys, so you want to make sure the speed of it is good. Keep the ball on the ground, quick touches, quick passes. It's a great drill to improve your first touch and your passing.